Hi, welcome to Price Honda of McMinnville, where we provide express service, quick, easy, and affordable customer experience. I'd like to show you around our dealership if you have a moment. We provide service for all makes and models. Our oil changes take approximately 30 to 45 minutes, and we also provide a free tire rotation with our oil changes and a full multi-point inspection. So our multi-point inspection looks like this. We provide this for every vehicle, for every service. We'll do your tire rotation as needed. We'll do all makes and models. We also check your front and rear brakes. We check your wipers. We check your headlights. We also check your suspension, exhaust system, top off all your fluid levels, and also top off your washer fluid. We also have our kids zone that allows the kids to go in, play, use their tablets, color, and just be themselves. And a lot of people don't know that we have an on-site dog park, fully fenced, water. I have 4 furry friends myself, so I understand how nice it is to be able to bring them with you, enjoy the service, and have a great place for them to run and play. Welcome to our parts department. This is Julian working the front desk. I'd like to share with you that we also sell tires. A lot of people don't realize that. So we sell tires for all makes and models as well. And all of our tires include a free 2-year road hazard warranty that we'd be happy to explain to you, and we'll also give you quotes. Just give us a call, we'll be happy to do that. This is our service department, where all of our technicians are fully Honda certified to work on your vehicle. We have state-of-the-art equipment, and when you have your tires installed, we have state-of-the-art alignment machine as well as a tire machine too. I can't wait to see you for your next visit. I'd also like to share with you that there's no appointment necessary. We do provide a secured drop-off area if you'd like to drop your vehicle off either the day of or the night before service. Plus, we also have appointments online at Price Honda of McMinnville.